Hello, so today's tapping video is all around motivation, how to motivate yourself. Motivation Monday. So how are you feeling at the moment? I know a lot of people are struggling with working from home, juggling a lot of different things, and it's really struggling to get motivated. So I really wanted to focus on that for today's tapping video. Those of you who followed me before will know how this works. And just check in with how you're feeling. Are you feeling like you're lacking in energy? Are you procrastinating? Just really notice how you're feeling. And just notice how you want to feel. You want to feel more motivated, more energized, more in control. And just notice where you feel that in your body. Notice what thoughts are going on for yourself. And just check in for a moment there. Awareness is key. Just be really aware with how you're feeling. And just start tapping with me on the side of the hand and just tap along as we usually do. Okay? So even though I'm feeling all this lack of motivation, I choose to accept me now anyway. And I'm really feeling like I'm lacking in motivation. I just want to get going and I want to get cracking for the day. So I choose to accept me now anyway. And even though I'm really struggling with all this motivation, I just want to get myself more motivated, more up and running, smash some of those goals. And I'm starting to feel clearer already. Just letting go some of this old stuff now. And even though I'm struggling, I just want to feel more energized, more clarity, more focused. So just tapping on the points here. So even though I'm struggling with this lack of motivation, I just want to let that all go now. Just letting go of this procrastination, letting go of this lack of energy, just struggling to motivate myself. Instead, I choose to feel more energized, more in control, just letting go of this need to procrastinate. Instead, I choose to feel more energized, just tapping into these feelings of motivation, choosing to feel more clarity, more focus, letting go of all this need to procrastinate, choosing to feel more motivated now, tapping into feelings of motivation, feeling so much more energized, letting go of all that old stuff. Sometimes it's okay to feel this way, but instead I get to choose how I feel. I can either procrastinate, I can sit around and wonder what to do, or I can tap into feelings of motivation, feelings of focus, more clarity, smashing those goals for today, writing all those goals down, getting them all achieved for the week ahead. Instead, I choose to feel more clear, clarity, focus and vision, choosing to feel more motivated now, letting all that old stuff go, feeling lighter and lighter, feeling more focused and refreshed, feeling so much more motivated. I can't believe how much better I feel, smashing through those goals this week. I choose to feel motivated. I choose to feel energized, letting all that old stuff go, feeling that through every single cell in my body. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Okay, again, just check in with how you're feeling, check in with your body, just check in with the thoughts, just take a moment or two. What I want you to do is I want you to repeat this routine. Go away and tap for yourself first thing in the morning, just to get yourself in that headspace. And do let me know how you got on in the comments. I look forward to hearing how you're getting on. And take good care and stay motivated. Motivation Monday. See you soon. Take care.